Diabetes naman, just diabetes.
Yeah, massage from your heart. Well hot. Guys, come like when I want sauna a while ago and you put a hot towel in the road. Yeah. So I'm going to try to get rid of the pain, the knots them when I have over the left side of my back. That's about when people get shot now.
Oh, me got tell her certain times somebody like get one shot. Come out. Now come out at the same time. Now people come again. Before it's down there. And then when you do something like now go come out one time, you know. You have to keep on there. You have to keep on come again.
So that you say if I try water. You hear that? When the rain fall, the water hotter than
I have to really tell you.
well hotter.
You just make that call, yeah, I'm in it for it all.
Yeah, teacher.
Awesome.
The people that need to come down, they need to come down. Massage with the stone, very therapeutic. What a cool man! cold one? Wait, let me put it. Alright, come now. I'm afraid that the cold water and I shock on my body go through.
Yeah, man. I say it work, man. Yeah, man. I say it work, man. You have to open the pores and the cold one close it back, you know? So it'll go have a little shock in it, make your body feel you know? I sulfur clear that detox your skin. Yeah, that detox your skin. Yeah, take away all the waste toxins from your body.
Yes, alright. This is guys, I'm drinking this water. Coming directly from the rock. As you can see, look. This thing was made to carry the water down. Creative, right? Look. Very good for your skin. So guys, let me know if you're thinking about coming down here. It's experience. I enjoyed the massage. You know, everything about it was excellent. Healing water, guys. You have pain in your body? Come and get it out. I'm not going to exaggerate, you see, but a massage that when we get a while ago really did something for me. To be honest, we not really feel much pain right now. I don't know if it's going to come back, but if it really comes back, I'm going to revisit this place. Yeah, my guys, and just remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and of course leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. guys, them have a changing room as well, you know. So this is a little changing room, guys. So I'm going here so now and put on some dry clothes, and then we're just going to head out. Yeah, man, guys. So this is a changing room. Or if you don't want change down here, so you can always wear your bathing suit under your clothes or change in your vehicle. Alright. Dwayne, be quiet, man. Let me tell the people them how me spend my time. Jesus. So people can talk, you see. Alright, guys. So day has finally come to an end. We had an enjoyable time at Mineral Bath. We had a whole heap of fun. The massage was good. You know, body feel relaxed and all them things there. So, of course, me I gonna come back down here again and get some more massage. But guys, a massage is never free. You know, when we reach, the guy then just come and start rub we down just like that. They never tell me how much them a charge or anything. You know, then tell me the fee after them done do them thing. But you know, we are locals and we know if we do a thing. My brother here take care of all of it. Big up yourself, Dwayne. He's a good negotiator. We never pay the tourist fee at all.
After we're not tourists, how we want to pay tourists?
You might say Dwayne take care of our fee after we do a massage, you know. Good negotiator people. So, we enjoy your time, Dwayne.
Yeah, man. Love it, man.
Love it.
Come back, yeah.
Alright, make sure you come in and left me, you know.
Yes, yes.
Alright. Mommy, you enjoy the massage?
Yeah, very much.
And mommy bought a pimento oil, the same oil them use rub down with the body. Yeah, man, she buy a bottle and from them. So you know so that have to go half, right, mommy?
What?
That go half. Yes, people. Tell her that sharing is scary.
She's a young girl. She don't have any pain.
Me have body for pain. Yeah. So that's it for now, people. Until next time, you know, we'll meet again and take you on another journey. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. And of course, you know the usual, share the video. I vow to never be mediocre. You should